A war of words erupts between the Prime Minister and the Congress over unemployment. Now, a Congress chief, Kharge, has countered the Prime Minister's claims on job creation. Kharge says, why no exam was held by the NRA in the last 4 years, and was the NRA formed for recruitment of government jobs? Kharge also says 1,517 crore rupees funds was given to the NRA. Remember, this comes after Prime Minister Modi took a swipe at the opposition, in fact saying that they are peddling false narratives.
ये झूठे नैरेटिव वाले निवेश के दुश्मन हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर निर्माण के दुश्मन हैं, भारत के विकास के दुश्मन हैं। इनकी हर नीति युवाओं से विश्वासघात और रोजगार को रोकने वाली है और अब इनकी पोल खुल रही है। भारत की समझदार जनता इनके हर झूठ, हर प्रपंच को नकार रही है।
My colleague Aishwarya joins us with more details. Aishwarya, take us through the latest war of words between the Prime Minister and the opposition over employment.
Well, certainly yesterday Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Bombay, and it was Prime Minister who announced that they wanted to make Mumbai the capital for the employment, and therefore the reasons perhaps several initiatives were launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And it was Mallikarjun Kharge who took on to social media X and stated that yesterday, while Prime Minister was in Bombay and he waved a web of lies about providing jobs in Mumbai, it was Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress president, who stated that he wanted to remind Prime Minister about what he said while announcing NRA in Mumbai National Recruitment Agency. And in August 2020, it was Prime Minister who stated that NRA will prove to be a boon for crores of youth through the common eligibility test. It will also eliminate multiple examinations and save precious time as well as the resources. But they have three questions to ask from the Prime Minister: that why has NRA has not concluded a single exam in the last 4 years? Why dispute providing funds of rupees 1,517 crores to NRA, and only 58 crores had been spent in the last 4 years. NRA was formed for recruitment for the government job, but NRA deliberately keep initiatives so that the SC, ST, OBC and the EWS youth could have been deprived in the reservation right. That answers need to be given by Prime Minister and the Bharatiya Janata Party government. It has also stated in that the fraud, paper leak and scams were committed by the NTA, and the exams was not even conducted by the NRA, and therefore the reason the Bharatiya Janata Party has taken up the task for renewing the education system and destroying the future of youth, and therefore the reason perhaps no such jobs had been given in the last 4 years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bharatiya Janata Party led government in Maharashtra as well as in center has to answer all of these questions, that why there has been some false narratives which had been created as far as job opportunities are concerned, and also the promises that they had made 4 years before, why that had not been fulfilled till now.